Caden, you want to show everybody how you can eat all like a big boy? Oh yeah. Hey, look at that. Yeah. Good job. Is this good stuff? What are you doing? Don't take off your bib. Are you getting full? Look at you go. You're such a big boy. Look at the bowl. He ate his whole bowl in the matter of like 5 minutes. Do you want some more, or do you want a bottle, or what? Or are you just going to spit at Mommy? You did so good, monkey. Are you going to get big and strong? Yeah, you're going to get big and strong. Good job today. I'm going to make you a little bit more and see if you like some more. Look at you go. You're just a big boy. Yes, you are. Say bye-bye, everybody.